Hey everybody, thank you so much for choosing to watch Life's Magical Journey. I'm Life, and this is the best channel for learning, growing, and even sharing your own experiences when it comes to your spiritual journey. So please consider subscribing. In today's video, we're talking all about how to let go of limiting beliefs. This is episode 3 of the Letting Go series that we're doing here on the channel. So I'm thankful that you guys have tuned in, and I'm grateful for everybody who's chimed in on the other videos so far. If you need to catch up, of course, I'll put them in the description and I'll pin them to the top of the comment box as well. So let's get into it. Now, what is a limiting belief? Limiting beliefs are false beliefs that prevent us from pursuing our goals, prevent us from reaching our dreams and our desires in life. Limiting beliefs can keep you from doing important things like applying for your dream job, allowing that beautiful, nurturing, fun relationship that you're looking for, painting your first painting, or even leaving toxic situations that we need to leave. Now that we know a little bit more about limiting beliefs, what can we do to change them? So some people feel as though we should write down our limiting beliefs. I've been seeing that a lot lately, and I do not subscribe to that. I don't think it's a good idea to sit there and rekindle and relive and especially write down limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. I do agree to some degree with acknowledging that, with realizing that that's a thing. But I don't think it's a good idea to write it down. Writing is very powerful. Why would I sit there and write down, I don't believe in myself? I'm not worth having a healthy relationship in my life. Or I will never get that dream job that I want. I'll never reach my goals. Why would I sit there and write those things down? That's kind of weird to me. I'm not saying anybody who's doing that is wrong, because you're the star of your own movie. You need to do what you feel is right. But I don't subscribe to that. I don't think that's a good idea at all. What I do think is a good idea is definitely acknowledging that those things are there, but immediately not living in that, not talking about it to our friends, not talking about it on our YouTube channels, or just stating these limiting beliefs out loud and really rekindling that and continuously living in that moment is what that's doing. What I would recommend is immediately reversing the belief. No matter what the belief is, I think that you should change your inner dialogue about that belief. So write down what you prefer in your life. Write down things like, I am abundant. I am worthy of all my desires. Everything I want and need comes to me with ease. I attain money easily and effortlessly. My relationships are flourishing. I get value and I give value out of the relationships I have with my family and friends. I am happy. I am healthy. I am able and I'm capable. Use words that are positive. Use words when you're writing that are motivating, that are encouraging. What you're doing is you're replacing those limiting beliefs with beliefs that you prefer. So instead of listing out things that are negative, instead of listing out things that are not preferable to you, you're replacing them. You're not trying hard not to think about the things, those negative things, but you're retraining your brain, just like you've been trained maybe all your life to believe these things. You've heard it over and over, those negative things. And whether it be from family, from friends, from TV, from our teachers. So a lot of times, a lot of us have had these types of things ingrained in us from the beginning, like from the beginning of our lives. Limiting beliefs can last a lifetime if we let them. So I'm grateful that you're on this video today. Comment down below if you know that you are going to start to retrain your mind and retrain your subconscious mind, because 95% of us, of everything we do every day, how we live, how we act, how we think, is subconscious. That means below consciousness. It's only 5% that is conscious, that we are aware of. So think about that. Everything is routine, everything that you're doing. So things like changing your habits, things like reversing reinforcing beliefs, it's going to take time. So I would like it if you guys give yourself a pass, give yourself that time that you need to retrain your subconscious mind. So getting back to it, let's talk about how we are going to retrain and relearn the things that we do prefer in our lives. First of all, we're going to start journaling. We're going to write these things down. I don't care if it's just for 2 minutes a day, because when you are starting a new habit, maybe you're not new at journaling, but you are new at talking about these different beliefs, right? So it might feel foreign. It might seem strange initially, but what I want you to do is I want you to take 2 minutes a day and just write down some positive reinforcing words or reinforcing sentences about yourself to establish your new beliefs. I want you to look into a mirror. I want you to look into the mirror and talk to yourself. Look yourself straight dead in the eye and encourage yourself. Smile at yourself, love yourself, and tell yourself how beautiful you are, how worthy you are, how grateful you are to have this knowledge that you are capable, that you are worthy, that you are becoming anew, that you are loved, that you are appreciated, that you are pure perfection, because you are. So talk to yourself. You are the only person that can really sit there and convince yourself of these things, because you are the person that has the most access to your subconscious mind. So one of the other things I want you to do, if you can, is listen to positive affirmations as you go to sleep. Use your phone. If you live with someone or you sleep with someone, you can use headphones if they don't want to hear it, okay? But listen to positive affirmations as you go to sleep. Your subconscious mind is easily trained, more easily trained as you're on your way to sleep. So positive self-talk during the day, journaling for just at least 2 minutes. You know, if you're trying to start that new thing, give yourself just 2 minutes to get it started, and it will become a habit for you. And you might find yourself writing for longer, but just give us 2 minutes of writing positive affirmations, positive things in your life, because writing is powerful, right? And then use your subconscious mind as you're going to sleep. I want you to think about your hopes and your dreams. Imagine yourself, visualize yourself there. Use those positive affirmations and allow them to train your mind as you're on your way to sleep. All right, this is going to be episode 3 of the Letting Go series. It's called The Art of Letting Go in my playlist section. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and consider subscribing. We are going to be drilling this in. Repetition is the key. That is how we learn these things, and it's how we're going to replace them with positive things that we prefer in our lives and reach our goals. So if you haven't already, go ahead and leave us a comment. Hit like on the video, and then if you are going to hit subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell so that you do get notifications on YouTube when I upload videos. I appreciate you guys coming through today. As usual, I'll see you next time.